Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project. And just want to apologize for my voice. I did catch a cold and it's taken my voice. So I apologize for that, but let's just jump right in. This is going to be a quick video. So I am using the Bear Valentine Ephemera that she just released this past weekend. And I thought I would use it again. Last time I checked, it was still in stock, so I hope it's still there. I'm also using the Follow Your Heart sentiment dies, Stampin' dies actually, and I'm using To My Valentine along with the die cut for it. And then this is what I'm using for my treat holder, and that's what I was supposed to make today. So I'm using the gift card part of it. And then this is the paper that I chose to use, which is Hello Spring 2025. And I'm using this color right there. And here goes my quick little treat. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. You can put candy with it, or you don't have to. You can give a pencil for the children, which you're not contributing to any cavities that way. But anyways, what I did was I added Laffy Taffy right behind there, just stuck it in behind there and put a little glue dot on there so that it holds it in place. Then also I added the ephemera and some stickles on top, and that's about it, other than the To My Valentine there. But really cute. I like how it turned out. If you'd like to use my discount code, is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or any of the other designers. And that's about it. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.